So my name is Rachel and I am from the Memphis kind of area, a little south of there. I'm actually in Mississippi, but a lot of the stuff I'm doing is in Tennessee. Okay, so I learned when I tried to do a wholesale deal, I learned how I could have done that better because I ended up giving it up. But there was actually multiple different ways that I could have done it. I learned how I want to go about my lease options for in the future, and I'm actually going to be focusing on that now. And I'm here with my mom, so it's been really fun, like trying to teach her, and she's pretty bought in now. So when I went 2 years ago, I was brand new, had no idea what I was doing, no experience in real estate. And we learned all the different methods, not just first deal done fast. And there was more people, so this one has been more of a private event at Whitney's house. And so we've had a lot of one-on-one and also conversations with all the other people that have been doing deals, or also brand new people who haven't. But the last time I left still pretty confused. I bought the course, started doing the modules, still needed some hand holding, so I actually joined FDDF Plus, which has been the biggest deal changer, however you want to say that, because of all the one-on-one coaching, the group coaching, all the Zoom calls, and just really walking through all the deals as they were happening. All of the one-on-one coaching, so every single week we do an hour or two of a Zoom call. We also do a lot of mindset work. Whitney will bring in other speakers, so every week it's something different. We also go over different group members' deals that they have going on, so you're not only learning about what you have going on, but what everybody's doing, so you can learn a lot from each other. And we also have our own private Facebook group, so that select group of people really lean on each other and help each other out. I was ready to make money. I left my job as a nurse and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do real estate full time. Let's actually go after this. I was like, yes, it costs some money to invest into yourself, but I know the payoff was gonna be really big. So I just went for it. I knew that for 2 years, just doing modules wasn't getting me anywhere. So I was like, well, I just need that hand holding, and so here I am.
Yay! And FDDF Live is part of FDDF Plus. So how are things going to change when you go back home from coming to the live event?
I'm ready to completely get after it. My mom's on board, so we're going to be probably teaming up to do this together. And I'm going after the lease options because I was going after trying to do wholesaling and thinking I was going to make some quick money, but kind of learned maybe I don't want to do that right now. And so just going after those lease options, finding those sellers. The buyers are always there, but really just looking for that type of seller that is going to go with me.
Awesome. And if anybody's thinking about coming to FDDF Live, what would you tell them?
Definitely sign up and come. It'll be way worth everything.
Awesome.
All your time, money, everything, just sign up and come.
If anybody's been in First Deal Done Fast and they're thinking about bumping up to Plus, what would you tell them?
I would also bump up to Plus. I didn't really have the means to necessarily do that, but to me it was still worth that investment, because the teaching that you're going to get is going to help you get those deals, and so once you get the deals, all the money you put into it is going to come right back to you. So to me, it's definitely worth just bumping up.
Awesome. Anything else I should know?
Whitney's amazing. Definitely come to her house whenever you can. Do all the live events that you can. The other reason why you should do the live events is we learn a lot when we're eating or when we're just hanging out with the other people. So yes, you're learning a lot while she's teaching, but you're really getting a ton of networking in a way, or we just have talked about real estate for 3 days straight, and so you really can learn a lot.
And we have a little bit of fun too.
Oh yeah, it's super fun. Like last night we went to a dinner cruise. She plans all kinds of events for us to do, so it's not just coming here and you're in school or whatever. Plus all the food she provided. Amazing stuff, so it's awesome.
Awesome.